In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add digital signatures to emails in Microsoft Outlook. A digital signature is not the same as a typed name or a graphic footer. It's a security feature that proves the message really came from you and that it hasn't been altered in transit. It helps your recipients trust the sender and the content, which is especially important for business communications, approvals, or anything sensitive. Let's walk through it clearly and simply. First, start by clicking New Email. This opens a fresh message window where you can address your recipient, add a subject, and draft your content as you normally would. Everything from this point forward happens in that Compose window. Next, go to the Options tab. The Options tab houses message level controls, including security features. If you're wondering why it's here, Outlook separates everyday formatting from advanced settings, and security falls into that latter category. Now click Sign. This is the key step. By choosing Sign, you're telling Outlook to attach a digital signature to this specific message. Behind the scenes, Outlook uses your digital ID, also called a certificate, to create a unique seal on the message. Recipients can verify that seal to confirm identity and message integrity. A quick note: signing and encrypting are different. A digital signature assures authenticity and integrity, while encryption protects message content from being read by unauthorized parties. Here, we're focusing on signing only. When you're ready,